Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment, okay?
Perfect, perfect.
Hey candy kings and queens, welcome. Yes honey, so in this video I want to share with you guys about my semi-viral video, right? Okay, so for those of you who don't know, I got a semi-viral video. The video reached up to 100,000 subscribers last month, and that's majority of where my first YouTube paycheck money came from. I'm going to show you guys the analytics behind this particular video so that you can get an in-depth understanding of how Google Analytics and how Google AdSense works for you. Okay, again, this is solely off of Google AdSense on what I made from this one particular video that helped me to get as much as I got on my first YouTube paycheck. So yes, if you haven't had a chance to check out the first YouTube paycheck video, if you haven't had a chance to check that out, make sure you go ahead and check that video out as well, okay? I'll be sure to link it up here for you guys to click it, and I'll link it down below so that you can check it out, okay? Pretty cool, pretty awesome. So yes, here you see, this is the video. Yes, welcome back, y'all. So I figured it was time for me to give you guys a quick update on my savings. It's another 6 months, y'all. Yes, that's right. So I don't know if you've been following me or not, but if you have, then you would already know that my husband hurt himself, and he hurt himself really bad. So unfortunately, during that time when he hurt himself, that little money that we saved up, y'all, it came in handy. We ended up having to pay deductibles and everything. Unfortunately, we didn't get the ball out. We didn't get to go and run up a check like I intended on doing. No, I didn't really intend on doing it. I was going to make some business moves. But anyway, I had to start over, and this is pretty much a new challenge, you guys. A lot of you guys kept commenting on my last video or the previous video, and you were giving some really good suggestions. Like you were saying, try it with 20s, try it with 10s, try it with, you know, everything. And I'm like, okay, you know what, that would be a really good idea, because I might can save even more, you know. The higher the number, right, the more you're gonna save. But anyway, here's what I have. Here's my jar. Look at that. Now, look at that. Can you guess how much is going to be in here? Do you know? Do you have any idea? Basically, it's going to be called the random jar this time. Y'all hear that tapping? That's Max. He's tapping back and forth on the floor running. Yeah, anyway. But yes, this is the new challenge that we have for this go around. It is the random challenge. I need to put a big sticker on there that says random, okay, because you're gonna see I've been saving pretty much everything that came across my hands that I could save between January and now. It's a restart of the 6 months challenge for me. If we get some good numbers, I would like to continue to save as long as nothing else goes wrong. Okay, universe, nothing. Okay, I got things to do, and so as long as everything is all good, then I can continue to save off of this particular jar and give you guys a 1 year update at the end of the year, or maybe January the 1st. That would be nice. That's my goal anyway. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and count it up and see what we got, y'all. Oh yes, and I have the glasses, the spectacles back on for you guys. Let's see. I hope this is a smaller jar, so I may not even need as much room as I did last time. But anyway, let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. We got some big butts in there, y'all. Okay. So I'm just going to first organize everything is what I'll do, okay? You know, y'all know I have a hard time counting sometimes. So there's my ones, 20, 20. A big face. This is the video that reached over 100,000 viewers just last month. This month I'm already looking at the numbers, and I can see it's well over 200,000 viewers already. So looking to make
a pretty decent amount from this particular video as well. One thing that I am thankful about this video, even though it seems to be a slow progress, it's a slow and steady progress of the video, which is very helpful for me because it also gives me the views and it also adds up my money so that when I do get paid, it's like stretching it out versus giving me a huge check at one time, you know. So this helps me to be able to budget a little more, it helps me to save a little more, and it helps me to disperse my dispenses the way that they need to be dispensed, you know. So I'm thankful for that, and I do hope and pray that the video continues to grow and glow. So again, thank you guys for helping me to get this video out. This particular video is very near and dear to me, and I think that's why this video went as viral or semi-viral, or that's why it's doing as well as it's doing, and that's because it's a very personable video. This video was personable to me and my entire family. In this video, I showed a sample or an example of a situation that happened in our particular home that turned into a positive. So it was a way of showing adversity at its best. We started a savings journey when I first started YouTube way back in January, and so it was time for my 6-month update. Well, unfortunately, during that time, there was a tragedy that happened where my husband hurt himself, and it basically put us in a bind, and we didn't know exactly where our funds were going to come from. Of course, we do have insurance, so that was really helpful, but us making that savings or having savings available, it helped us out even more because you have deductibles, you have medicines, and you have co-insurance that you also have to pay for in the meantime. Well, in this video, I shared that story with everybody, and it's my truth. Basically, all of my videos are my truth, you know what I mean? But it's something about this particular video that everybody could see the truth behind it. They could see the realness behind it. They could see the energy behind it, and it was so full of life. Of course, people love the faces that I make, so I don't know, I didn't even realize that I make weird faces or whatnot, but hey, whatever works. So this video basically connected with so many people, and a lot of people were able to relate to similar situations, or a lot of people actually felt the significance of our story, and they were not sympathetic or not feeling sorry for us. It was just a touching and a positive, inspiring story, because in the midst of our hard or troubling times, we were able to not only continue to save, but double our savings, okay? We doubled the amount of money that we initially had, and we had no idea that we could even do it, even during the midst of the storm, if you want to say. So yeah, I'm saying this all to say that if you have a story, share your story with the world, you know, connect, be personable. Of course, be careful of the things that you actually put out there. You don't want to put all your business out there, because like I said, even in that story, I didn't put all of it out there. I only put a little bit out there, because you have to be careful. You never know who's watching, and you never know exactly the things that just may transpire from you making a video and putting it out to millions possibly of viewers, okay? So yes, if you haven't had a chance to check out the video, please feel free to go ahead and check the video out and learn from it. Of course, you figure out some things in the video that you found helpful or that you may have liked that could possibly help you in your own journey of wanting to get or go viral on YouTube, okay? Again, it's not an actual viral video. It's like a semi-viral video. It's my biggest video, so to me it's viral, okay? It was just a simple $5 savings challenge, a money saving video that I shared with the world, and it was beyond amazing, and I love the video. I love to save, and it wasn't my first video, it was my second video. I love to save. It was so fun. It was so full of life, and I'm just glad that other people were able to see the authenticity behind the video, and that other people actually enjoyed the video as well. I'm so glad that the video was motivating. I'm so glad that the video was inspiring. So many people have hopped on board and they're with the savings challenge now, and so many people have hopped on board and they too are sharing the video, or they too are doing like videos, so that they too can not only get the viewers but also save in the meantime, because you never know when an emergency can arise in your particular life, or when an emergency will arise. You know, you never know what you can use the money for. Not necessarily even for emergencies. It could be for a business idea, because that was my initial reason for saving. Unfortunately, that happened, so I had to put my business idea back for a little while. But nevertheless, it's still growing, it's still going, and we're gonna get there eventually, okay? But yes, I just wanted to take a minute to share with you guys some of the details on this particular video. So hopefully these videos are helpful to you guys and you are able to find some takeaways that you too can implement, okay? Again, it's not to brag, it's not to boast, it's to help you, okay? Thank you guys so much, and I appreciate all of your help, all of your love and support, and as you know, as always, bye. Thank you, baby. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment, okay?